What's good, YouTube? It's somebody boy back with another video. Today we in the SRT. So, y'all boys like the Mopar content. Y'all let me know. And you know, Mopar might be coming soon. You dig what I'm saying? So, let's go ahead and get, what the fuck? Oh, there we go. Alright, I gotta get the address.
There are no phones connected.
What the fuck?
Connect to phone and
what the
try
fuck? Alright, we finna check this out. So, let's go. Damn, this bitch got some goddamn power in that motherfucker. Scat Almighty? Cat Almighty? Okay, a little smooth. I gotta figure out where the fuck I'm going, so hold up. Alright, y'all boys. We are in the Scat. You dig what I'm saying? Damn, I feel like I gotta look over like I'm in my car. The shit not that hard to look over. I know Sean in my shit like, bro, I can't see shit. Oh, fuck. What happened to the map? Oh, there we go. This nigga need an alignment ASAP. Oh shit, we good in this lane. I ain't gonna lie, y'all, I'm fucking with the Scat. Or the, whatever you call it, Scat, SRT 392. I'm fucking with this. It's a smooth ride, I feel comfortable. What the fuck? They goddamn truck tweaking. Yo, it feel like I'm driving a big ass boat. Oh my gosh. But I ain't gonna lie, I mess with it. Make sure Shiny straight, not leave him in the wind in the marrow. Okay, I'm fucking with it. I ain't gonna cap to y'all boys. I'm really fucking with it. What the, oh, that mean the people to the left. It's crazy because this bitch is dark, but it looks perfectly see-through on camera. But let me know if y'all boys really like enjoy the Mopar content for real. I'm really like thinking about car choices, you know. Thinking about car choices, and I don't know. You know, we just gotta go. Just gotta upgrade it, you know what I'm saying? So wherever that takes us, we got multiple choices, you know. So just let me know what y'all want to see. I wish it wasn't wet though, so I could like really put this shit to the test, you know what I'm saying? Like I like the radio. Oh shit, I like all of this. I don't know where the hell Shanio is. Oh, that bitch. Okay. I'm fucking with this. I'm not gonna cap. Okay, I just saw her do a little cut across. Not no crazy cut, but like a little switching lanes, you know what I'm saying? Bro, what the fuck up with this shit? This shit keep fucking up. You fuck with it? Yeah! Bro, it's crazy seeing my shit on the road because I never see my car. And that shit looks fucking good as hell. Oh my god. That shit crazy. That shit made me appreciate that car so much more. Alright, one problem we having is the map keeps fucking up. But I'm thinking that's because I didn't download like the app for real. I want to push it, but it's wet outside, so I'm not even gonna do that. Bro, I love the shifts in these shits. Oh my gosh. I love the shifts, bro. I gotta turn this goddamn fucking seat off. This bitch hot as fuck. Put that bitch on low. I turned it off. Put that bitch on low. The steering wheel kind of hot as fuck. I ain't gonna cap. Alright, let's go back to CarPlay. Damn, I wish it was not wet, bro. I see what Vonte's saying. When Vonte was driving my car, he was saying if it was a delay when you downshift, and I feel it, because as soon as I hit this bitch. Yeah, that shit really is crazy. You can feel the difference. But I wonder if it's cause like, I don't know what the fuck it would be for, honestly. Because even when you switch modes in my car, it don't like shift faster. I ain't gonna lie though, if I was to go Mopar, I'd probably go Challenger. Just cause like, I mess with the Chargers, but what I do like is, like, I've never had, well, I have had a 4-door car actually. I had an SUV. But like, I'm thinking I'd have shit all in the back seat, all that. Even though I do live in Atlanta, that's the one reason I think I wouldn't keep stuff in the car. But like, just me thinking now, I feel like I would have a Charger, like kind of messy, cause I can just throw shit in the back seat. You know what I'm saying? So I do feel like I would go Challenger, just because I do want a coupe again. 2 doors to me is just, you know, better. And everybody I be with has a Charger, except only person who don't have a Charger is Kyle. And I am planning to do a video with Kyle's car on this channel pretty soon, the Hellcat. You know, we're gonna test that big motherfucker, that big 6.2 supercharge. You dig? So, whenever that comes, we're gonna be excited for that, because that will be the first time I will drive a Hellcat. I've driven a Hellcat in a parking lot, but that does not count at all. So, and of course, I gotta get over, and now these bitch ass niggas wanna get over. Yeah, we're gonna have to goddamn force our way over. Oh, hell nah, bitch. Fuck you. Okay. And the sensors don't like bother you too much. Hey, y'all let me know if y'all want to see me and Sean race. He got the Daytona 392. That's what we in, you know what I'm saying? 392, basically a Scat. He just got the Daytona. Then I got the SS. So, damn, that's a big asshole. But if y'all do want to see that, we definitely can make that happen, because I'm pretty interested in that video, even though I probably know the outcome already. But y'all let me know if y'all want to see that. To get this video, we'll do 50 likes. We've been getting some views, but I feel like 50 is like kind of high, but it's still pop. What the fuck? Yo, what the fuck? Oh, it's right here, my big dumb ass. See, that shit confusing, bro. We good though, And my fucking wallet fell. Damn, I don't know where that shit went. All right, we still on the right road. We good. Let's hear it under the tunnel right quick. Damn, that bitch sound good as fuck. I ain't even gonna count. Oh shit. Oh, I'm fucking with it. Alright, truck. Your ass gonna goddamn try to pass and not get the fuck past. You big dumb ass. Bro, it's crazy. It's crazy too because this damn windshield is so much bigger and wider than mine. It's like I can see every fucking thing. It felt like I'm driving like an SUV for real. It's comfortable. My shit felt like a goddamn race car with them low ass seats. Only thing I think I don't like about this is the steering wheel is big as hell. But I mean, it's whatever. Okay, we had to open that bitch up a little bit. Okay. Alright. Yeah. Not too bad for real. I fuck with it. Is this one big ass lane? What the fuck? Alright. Now we need to get out of this and get on up the road. Let's do. Nah, hell no. Sport probably turn his traction off. I want to see that motherfucker go by again. Yo, that shit looks crazy. My fault, y'all. My shit connected to the damn Bluetooth in my car and stopped the video. I don't know, y'all. If y'all are really here for the Camaro content, y'all let me know. Like, for real, bro. Like, I'm trying to figure out. Because if y'all for the Camaro content, you know, we might have to go Z01. But if y'all here for just the car content in general, might have to go Cat. I don't know. Now, for a while, it's been a debate between the Cat and the Z01. I need to drive them both. I've never driven a Z01, never driven a Hellcat. So I'm just gonna have to see so we can figure that shit out. But that's gonna be the end of this video. If y'all enjoyed this video, like, comment, subscribe. I will catch y'all in the next one. If y'all want more Mopar content, we can definitely make that happen. If you want Camaro content, we can make everything happen. It don't matter to me. But I'm gonna catch y'all in the next one.